The James Webb Space Telescope, which is already well known for its captivating photographs of the cosmos, has succeeded once more. The first clear indication of the presence of carbon dioxide on a planet outside of the solar system has been recorded by the telescope. This detection of a gas giant planet 700 light-years from Earth orbiting a sun-like star sheds light on the planet's structure and development. To know more about these breathtaking topics, maybe it's because of the carbon dioxide discovery. I'm just kidding. Continue till the end to find out more about this discovery. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted. The atmosphere of a planet outside of our solar system has the first conclusive evidence of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. According to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, this study of a gas giant planet 700 light-years from Earth orbiting a sun-like star sheds light on the planet's constitution and development. The discovery, which has been approved for publication in Nature, provides proof that Webbs might one day be able to identify and analyze carbon dioxide in the thinner atmospheres of smaller rocky planets. Scientists now have exposure to more potent and precise infrared skills thanks to JWST, and they were also able to detect the carbon dioxide trace. As part of its quest to study exoplanets, JWST discovered WASP-39b. The initiative is a component of the Early Release Science program, which aims to get strong Webb data to the exoplanet research community as quickly as feasible. Exoplanets are extrasolar planets that exist outside of our solar system. For example, WASP-39b is 700 light-years away. According to the press release, it is a hot gas giant with a diameter that is around 1.3 times larger than Jupiter and roughly the same mass as Saturn. The near-infrared spectrograph on JWST, which scientists use to assess the composition of a planet's atmosphere based on small changes in brightness of the transmitted light across a spectrum of wavelengths, was used to gather the proof of CO2 on WASP-39b. According to researcher Mike Line, finding CO2 on WASP-39b could advance knowledge about how planets form, since it could be used to estimate how much solid versus how much gaseous material was required to construct this gas giant planet. According to Natalie Batalla, team leader of the JWST Transiting Exoplanet Community Early Release Science, detecting such a clear signal of carbon dioxide on WASP-39b bodes well for the identification of atmospheres on smaller, terrestrial-sized planets as well. Finding carbon dioxide in a planet's atmosphere is the first step to finding life outside of Earth. According to astronomers, WASP-39b is considered too close to its star for it to support life. According to astronomers, who also do not anticipate it to be discovered, they don't even anticipate the Webb telescope to discover undeniable proof of extraterrestrial life. Did you guys get your breath back? It was breathtaking content, haha. Again, kidding. Please make sure that you have all subscribed to our channel. If you haven't done so yet, please do it, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications. However, the Webb telescope also detected signs of water vapor, haze, and several never-before-seen clouds. The scientists were shocked. While it is extremely unlikely that life exists on WASP-96b, similar methods could be able to determine whether smaller, rocky planets orbiting other stars are hospitable. The planet, which is about as big as Saturn but bigger than Jupiter in size, had already been spotted by the Spitzer Space Telescope, which, like Webb, studied heat-carrying infrared wavelengths, and the now-retired Hubble Space Telescope in optical wavelengths. It had been known from earlier investigations that the planet's atmosphere contained water vapor, sodium, and potassium, but it wasn't until Webb's that carbon dioxide signal was discovered. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, began to produce photos in July 2022. In July, the planet passed in front of the JWST for roughly 8 hours, and the telescope saw starlight that seeped through the planet's dense atmosphere. As it happened, some wavelengths of the starlight were absorbed by carbon dioxide molecules in the atmosphere. A tiny amount of absorption at the same wavelength had been found during earlier observations of WASP-39b, with NASA's now-defunct Spitzer Space Telescope. However, it wasn't enough to satisfy astronomers that carbon dioxide actually existed. An exoplanet's atmosphere, carbon dioxide content can provide information on the planet's formation. Asteroids could have flooded the Earth, bringing in more carbon and increasing carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. It might also look higher in carbon dioxide if the planet's atmosphere has had lighter components stripped away by radiation from the star. Carbon dioxide may be present in atmospheres all around the galaxy, hidden from plain sight, despite the fact that a telescope as powerful as JWST is required to detect it. According to Batalla, carbon dioxide is one of the few compounds that are found in the atmosphere of every planet in the solar system. It is the primary molecule. In the future, astronomers want to utilize JWST to discover compounds like carbon dioxide in the atmospheres of tiny rocky planets, like those that orbit stars like TRAPPIST-1. Some of those planets may be suitable places to look for life since they are just far enough from their star to support liquid water. It is clear if JWST will be able to detect carbon dioxide, but it is unclear if it will be able to detect those signs of life. No other observatory has ever been able to measure the minute variations in individual colors over the 3 to 5.5 micron range as JWST did in the spectrum of WASP-39b. And JWST is still working on this exoplanet. The last 3 observations, when added together, will effectively provide the whole chemical inventory of WASP-39b. That's all for today. For more interesting videos like these, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Also, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.